Hi, Mason. This is going to be Unit 5 of Book 1 in the Musical Fingers. So, first of all, just a free floating arm with a dropping arm weight. And you would just do that going up the piano for an octave. The next one, 53B, is just the same thing. Coming down. You just want to practice having a firm fingertip and a relaxed arm drop. Then, this should not be very difficult for you. This is legato in the right hand, with the melody coming out in the right hand and the not particularly legato left hand. And then you can transpose that one to D major. And E major and F major. Then this one, it might be a little more challenging. The melody comes out in the left hand. And just pay attention to your arm following behind the finger that's playing. So I'll try it in E major. Then later on, here 55A, it's a question of having a little bit of arm hand rotation. And then the left hand, and notice the dynamics, so it's loud, soft, soft, loud, soft, soft, loud, soft, loud, soft. It's good practice for having different dynamics in different parts of the hand. And then it's the bottom of the hand instead of the top of the hand. Just developing some control. And then I do advise you to do the transpositions. I'm not going to film those because it could take all afternoon to upload this if I do. This 57 is just articulation. And dynamics. And then do the transpositions on that. This is just different articulations in the hand. So play, rest. Your wrist is going to go up and down and drop, and then it's going to be legato. That's a slightly different technique. Then with your left hand at the top of page 29. And then this would be each hand doing this alone. And just think about your alignment of your arm and how are you going to move your wrist to do these different articulations. And then this one is just parallel. Or I'll do the left hand in D major maybe. then 60B, I'll try doing the right hand in E major. Sorry. And the left hand of 60B in F major. And this one is important to use this motion of your hand. Your left hand. So use that sideways motion of your hand, otherwise you're going to get, if you just try to do it straight up and down, you're going to get tension in your hand. So drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, lift. I will try 62A in G major. And I'll try the left hand in E major. And 62B, I'll try the right hand in F major. And the left hand, that was the right hand in F major. And this is the left hand in C major. Just a little bit of a wrist lift is all you need. And then this one is for moving in octaves. Move quickly, move early. All the way up an octave. Then 64A is just a relaxed arm drop. And the same thing, I'll try it in C major. And practice it even though it's easy, because you want to have this feeling of great relaxation in this part of your arm, but firm fingertips and a wrist that is flexible to go up and down, and have a very efficient technique. And then the big finish. And then if you email me your address, I know I'll be going to Watertown at some point, and I'll let you know when I'm coming. You can leave this book outside your front door, and I'll put book 2 in its place.